levels of stress and anxiety have been continuously increasing. And they have been holding on to this without a way of unburdening themselves. Introducing Fidget Ball. Fidget Ball is a fun gadget that helps relieve stress, feelings of anxiety, and can also be used as a massage device. After studying how people were relieving their stress, we discovered that the answer for many was to listen to addictive sounds that would leave them feeling satisfied. This addictive sound was found to help reduce high levels of stress and anxiety. Fidget Ball is the best way to relax and kick back. Fidget Ball is not simply a toy, but a gadget that can help enhance concentration levels. Simple and repetitive movements slowly increase your concentration. The protruding edges on the surface of Fidget Ball were designed for massaging purposes. Small in size and lightweight, it is good for massaging the hand, arm, shoulder, and neck. These edges also stimulate pressure points on the body, which helps to increase blood circulation. An increase in blood circulation can help to relieve fatigue. Fidget Ball can be enjoyed by all. Fidget Ball is highly recommended for those who receive stress and feelings of anxiety on a daily basis. Fun to play, addictive sound, enhance concentration, massages stress and anxiety, massage function, increase blood circulation, fatigue recovery. Eliminate stress from your daily life with addictive sounds and fun. Fidget Ball by All Button.